Running down to Cuba for a load of sugar.
Way me boys to Cuba.
Make her on you laundry squeezers.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
Oh, running down to Cuba with a press of sail.
Way me boys to Cuba.
Slinging the water all over the rail.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
My, oh my, how the ship do go.
Way me boys to Cuba.
For our old man, he drives us so.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
Oh, I've got a sister 9 feet tall.
Way me boys to Cuba.
Sleeps in the kitchen with her feet in the hole.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
I've got a girl, her name is Jane.
Way me boys to Cuba.
You can guess where she gives me a pain.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
Give me a girl could dance fandango.
Way me boys to Cuba.
Breasts like melons and sweet as a mango.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
Load the sugar and homeward go.
Way me boys to Cuba.
For Mr. Mate, he told me so.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
So come on down, me bucko boys.
Way me boys to Cuba.
Let's all go and make some noise.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba. Out on the quarterdeck and walking about, there is the second mate, so steady and so stout. What he is a-thinking of he doesn't know himself, and we wish that he would hurry up and strike the bell. Strike the bell, second mate, let's go below. Look out to windward, you can see it's going to blow. Look at the glass, you can see that it's fell, and we wish that you would hurry up and strike the bell. Down on the main deck and working on the pumps, there is the larboard watch a-longing for their bunks. Look out to windward, you can see a great swell, and we wish that you would hurry up and strike the bell. Strike the bell, second mate, let's go below. Look out to windward, you can see it's going to blow. Look at the glass, you can see that it's fell, and we wish that you would hurry up and strike the bell. Aft at the wheelhouse old Anderson stands, grasping at the helm with his frostbitten hands, looking at the compass though the course is clear as hell, and he's wishing that the second mate would strike the bell. Strike the bell, second mate, let's go below. Look out to windward, you can see it's going to blow. Look at the glass, you can see that it's fell, and we wish that you would hurry up and strike the bell. Forward at the forecastle head and keeping sharp lookout, there's Johnny standing, longing for to shout. Lights are burning bright, sir, and everything is well, and he's wishing that the second mate would strike the bell. Strike the bell, second mate, let's go below. Look out to windward, you can see it's going to blow. Look at the glass, you can see that it's fell, and we wish that you would hurry up and strike the bell. Aft on the quarterdeck our gallant captain stands, looking out to windward with a spyglass in his hand. What he is a-thinking of we know very well. He's thinking more of shortening sail than striking the bell. Strike the bell, second mate, let's go below. Look out to windward, you can see it's going to blow. Look at the glass, you can see that it's fell, and we wish that you would hurry up and strike the bell. Strike the bell, second mate, let's go below. Look out to windward, you can see it's going to blow. Look at the glass, you can see that it's fell, and we wish that you would hurry up and strike the bell.
Jack Handy was a sailor, oh, salty old sea sailor, oh, aboard a handsome whaler, oh.
Ho, boys, ho!
A salty old sea sailor, oh, aboard a handsome whaler, oh.
Aboard a handsome whaler, oh. Ho, boys, ho!
On shore he went a-trawling, oh, drinking and a-brawling, oh, a mob they came a-calling, oh.
Ho, boys, ho!
Drinking and a-brawling, oh, a mob they came a-calling, oh.
A mob they came a-calling, oh. Ho, boys, ho!
Haver up, boys!
Haul this yard up to the top.
The matey gives the order, boys.
Ho, boys, ho! For when the hauling's over, boys, we'll drink until we drop, and we'll take our leave ashore, me boys. Ho, boys, ho!
They asked him, are you willing, oh, to take our good King shilling, oh, to leave and go a-sailing, oh.
Ho, boys, ho!
To take our good King shilling, oh, to leave and go a-sailing, oh.
To leave and go a-sailing, oh. Ho, boys, ho!
He was shipped aboard the Beauty, oh, bound to do his duty, oh, as a top man in the Navy, oh.
Ho, boys, ho!
Shipped aboard the Beauty, oh, as a top man in the Navy, oh.
As top man in the Navy, oh. Ho, boys, ho!
One day they were a-sailing, oh, when a gale it came a-whaling, oh, and the ship it was a-reeling, oh.
Ho, boys, ho!
Gale it came a-whaling, oh, and the ship it was a-reeling, oh.
And the ship it was a-reeling, oh. Ho, boys, ho!
Up aloft he was a-skipping, oh, while the gale it was a-ripping, oh, at the mast and at the rigging, oh.
Ho, boys, ho!
While the gale it was a-ripping, oh, at the mast and at the rigging, oh.
At the mast and at the rigging, oh. Ho, boys, ho!
Haver up, boys!
Haul this yard up to the top.
The matey gives the order, boys.
Ho, boys, ho! For when the hauling's over, boys, we'll drink until we drop, and we'll take our leave ashore, me boys. Ho, boys, ho!
'Twas in that stormy weather, oh, as they pitched and rolled together, oh, that the sea it took me farther, oh.
Ho, boys, ho!
As they pitched and rolled together, oh, that the sea it took me farther, oh.
Jack Handy was me father, boys. Ho, boys, ho!
He's now doing as he wishes, oh, drinking rum and stealing kisses, oh, with the mermaids and the fishes, oh.
Ho, boys, ho!
Drinking rum and stealing kisses, oh, with the mermaids and the fishes, oh.
With the mermaids and the fishes, oh. Ho, boys, ho!
Haver up, boys!
Haul this yard up to the top.
The matey gives the order, boys.
Ho, boys, ho! For when the hauling's over, boys, we'll drink until we drop, and we'll take our leave ashore, me boys. Ho, boys, ho!
Haver up, boys!
Haul this yard hard up to the top.
The matey gives the order, boys.
Ho, boys, ho! For when the hauling's over, boys, we'll drink until we drop, and we'll take our leave ashore, me boys. Ho, boys, ho!
Oh, the Alabama's keel was laid.
Roll, Alabama, roll.
It was laid in the yard of Jonathan Laird.
Oh, roll, Alabama, roll.
It was laid in the yard of Jonathan Laird.
Roll, Alabama, roll.
It was laid in the town of Birkenhead.
Oh, roll, Alabama, roll.
And the Mersey River she sailed then.
Roll, Alabama, roll.
And Liverpool fitted her with guns and men.
Oh, roll, Alabama, roll.
Across the western ocean she sailed forth.
Roll, Alabama, roll.
To destroy the commerce of the north.
Oh, roll, Alabama, roll.
Down to Cherbourg town she sailed one day.
Roll, Alabama, roll.
To collect her share of prize money.
Oh, roll, Alabama, roll.
There was many a sailor went to his doom.
Roll, Alabama, roll.
When the little Kearsarge came into view.
Oh, roll, Alabama, roll.
When a shot from the forward pivot that day.
Roll, Alabama, roll.
Shot the Alabama stern away.
Oh, roll, Alabama, roll.
Off the 3-mile limit in 64.
Roll, Alabama, roll.
Oh, the Alabama sank to the ocean floor.
Oh, roll, Alabama, roll.
Oh, the wind it is free and we're bound for the sea.
Heave away, Cheerily, oh.
The lasses are waving to you and to me.
As off to the southward we go. Sing me lads Cheerily, heave me lads Cheerily, heave away Cheerily, oh. For the gold that we prize and for sunnier skies, it's off to the southward we go.
We're waving goodbye and the gals they do cry.
Heave away Cheerily, oh.
So cheer up, me darlings, and wipe your tears dry.
As off to the southward we go. Sing me lads Cheerily, heave me lads Cheerily, heave away Cheerily, oh. For the gold that we prize and for sunnier skies, it's off to the southward we go.
They're crying, come back, my dear John and dear Jack.
Heave away Cheerily, oh.
There's water in front and no door at the back.
As off to the southward we go. Sing me lads Cheerily, heave me lads Cheerily, heave away Cheerily, oh. For the gold that we prize and for sunnier skies, it's off to the southward we go.
But we're Johnnies bold who can work for our gold.
Heave away, Cheerily, oh,
and stand a good dowsing without catching cold.
As off to the southward we go. Sing, me lads, Cheerily, heave, me lads, Cheerily, heave away, Cheerily, oh. For the gold that we prize and for sunnier skies, it's off to the southward we go.
The gals to the southward are bully and fine.
Heave away, Cheerily, oh.
When we gets to Melbourne, we'll have a good time.
As off to the southward we go. Sing, me lads, Cheerily, heave, me lads, Cheerily, heave away, Cheerily, oh. For the gold that we prize and for sunnier skies, it's off to the southward we go.
John, he is true to his Sal and his Sue.
Heave away, Cheerily, oh.
So long as he's able to keep 'em in view.
As off to the southward we go. Sing, me lads, Cheerily, heave, me lads, Cheerily, heave away, Cheerily, oh. For the gold that we prize and for sunnier skies, it's off to the southward we go.
We'll heave her up, bullies, and run her away.
Heave away, Cheerily, oh.
We'll soon be a-heading out on a long lay.
As off to the southward we go. Sing, me lads, Cheerily, heave, me lads, Cheerily, heave away, Cheerily, oh. For the gold that we prize and for sunnier skies, it's off to the southward we go. Sing, me lads, Cheerily, heave, me lads, Cheerily, heave away, Cheerily, oh. For the gold that we prize and for sunnier skies, it's off to the southward we go.
We're sailing down the river from Liverpool.
Heave away, Santiano,
Around Cape Horn to Frisco Bay.
all on the plains of Mexico, and we'll heave her up and away we'll go. Heave away, Santiano, heave her up and away we'll go, all on the plains of Mexico.
Santiano was a good old man.
Heave away, Santiano,
Till he went to war with Uncle Sam.
all on the plains of Mexico, and we'll heave her up and away we'll go. Heave away, Santiano, heave her up and away we'll go, all on the plains of Mexico.
General Taylor saved the day.
Heave away, Santiano,
Santiano ran away.
all on the plains of Mexico, and we'll heave her up and away we'll go. Heave away, Santiano, heave her up and away we'll go, all on the plains of Mexico.
When I leave the ship, I'm gonna settle down.
Heave away, Santiano,
And marry a girl called Sally Brown.
all on the plains of Mexico, and we'll heave her up and away we'll go. Heave away, Santiano, heave her up and away we'll go, all on the plains of Mexico, and we'll heave her up and away we'll go. Heave away, Santiano, heave her up and away we'll go, all on the plains of Mexico.
Come all you young fellows that follows the sea,
Way, hey, blow the man down.
and pray pay attention and listen to me.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down.
Come here.
Way, hey, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away. Give me some time to blow the man down.
I'm a deep water sailor just in from Hong Kong.
Way, hey, blow the man down.
If you give me some grog, then I'll sing yous a song.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down. Way, hey, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away. Give me some time to blow the man down.
'Twas on a black bowler I first served me time.
Way, hey, blow the man down.
And on that black bowler I wasted me prime.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down. Way, hey, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away. Give me some time to blow the man down.
'Tis when a black bowler's preparing for sea.
Way, hey, blow the man down.
You'd split your sides laughing at the sights that you see.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down. Way, hey, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away. Give me some time to blow the man down.
With the tinkers and tailors and soldiers and all.
Way, hey, blow the man down.
That ship for prime seaman on board a black bull.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down. Way, hey, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away. Give me some time to blow the man down.
'Tis when a black bowler is clear of the land.
To me, way, hey, blow the man down.
Our boatswain then gives us the word of command.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down.
To me,
way, hey, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away. Give me some time to blow the man down.
Lay aft is the cry to the break of the poop.
To me, way, hey, blow the man down.
Or I'll help you along with the toe of me boot.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down.
To me,
way, hey, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away. Give me some time to blow the man down.
'Tis larboard and starboard on the deck you will sprawl.
To me, way, hey, blow the man down.
For kicking Jack Williams commands the black ball.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down.
To me,
way, hey, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away. Give me some time to blow the man down.
Pay attention to order now, you one and all.
Way, hey, blow the man down.
For right there above you there flies the black ball.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down.
To me,
way, hey, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away. Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down.
To me,
way, hey, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away. Give me some time to blow the man down. Give me some time
to blow the man down. When I was just a little boy or so, me mammy told me,
away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
That if I didn't kiss the girls, me lips would grow all mouldy.
Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Away!
Oh! Haul away, we'll haul away together. Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Away!
Oh! Haul away, we'll haul for better weather. Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
King Louis was the King of France before the Revolution.
Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
But then he got his head cut off, it spoiled his constitution.
Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Away!
Oh! Haul away, we'll haul away together. Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Away!
Oh! Haul away, we'll haul for better weather. Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
The cook is in his galley, a-making duffs a dandy.
Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
The captain's in his cabin, a-drinking wine and brandy.
Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Away!
Oh! Haul away, we'll haul away together. Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Away!
Oh! Haul away, we'll haul for better weather. Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Hey, can't you see the black clouds are rising?
Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Hey, can't you see the storm clouds are gathering?
Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Away!
Oh! Haul away, we'll haul away together. Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Away!
Oh! Haul away, we'll haul for better weather. Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe.
Don't wake the drowning seaman as he struggles in the wave. His life is nearly over, and the sea will be his grave. Don't tell him that his time has come, or that his kin will wail, as the news of his departure comes with the morning mail. Don't worry him with trivia, don't let him beg for breath. Let his life be over and give him peace in death. The sailor is a brave man, his life a strain each day. His family share his worries and survive on pauper's pay. His wife stands firm and steadfast as she looks to the sea to say, where's your daddy, my lover, who's died so far away? My child, don't cry, your tears I'll dry as we face tomorrow's dawn. Alone we'll travel onward now that your dad is gone. But don't weep for the seaman, the sailor or his kin, the little child who cries each night, his mate who waits within. For the seaman is a happy man, the sea will be his friend. It gave him life, it made his life, and finally his end. Don't worry him with trivia, don't let him beg for breath. Let his life be over and give him peace in death. My child, don't cry, your tears I'll dry as we face tomorrow's dawn. Alone we'll travel onward now that your dad is gone. Alone we'll travel onward now that your dad is gone.
Oh, say was ye ever down Rio Grande?
Way for Rio,
It's there that the river flows down golden sands,
and we're bound for the Rio Grande. Then away, bullies away, away for Rio. Sing fare ye well, me pretty young gals, and we're bound for the Rio Grande.
So heave up the anchor, let's get it away.
Way for Rio,
It's got a good grip, so heave bullies way, hey.
and we're bound for the Rio Grande. Then away, bullies away, away for Rio. Sing fare ye well, me pretty young gals, and we're bound for the Rio Grande.
Oh, where are you bound to, me bully boys all?
Way for Rio,
And where are you bound for to make your landfall?
and we're bound for the Rio Grande. Then away, bullies away, away for Rio. Sing fare ye well, me pretty young gals, and we're bound for the Rio Grande.
We're bound to the southward, me bully boys all.
Way for Rio,
Bound out to Brazil, me bully boys all.
and we're bound for the Rio Grande. Then away, bullies away, away for Rio. Sing fare ye well, me pretty young gals, and we're bound for the Rio Grande.
And what'll you do there, me bully boys all?
Way for Rio.
What job will you do there, me bully boys all?
And we're bound for the Rio Grande. Then away, bullies, away. Away for Rio. Sing fare ye well, me pretty young gals, and we're bound for the Rio Grande.
We'll dig for red gold, oh me bully boys all.
Way for Rio.
We'll dig for a fortune, me bully boys all.
And we're bound for the Rio Grande. Then away, bullies, away. Away for Rio. Sing fare ye well, me pretty young gals, and we're bound for the Rio Grande.
Or die o' the fever, me bully boys all.
Way for Rio.
Or die o' the fever, me bully boys all.
And we're bound for the Rio Grande. Then away, bullies, away. Away for Rio. Sing fare ye well, me pretty young gals, and we're bound for the Rio Grande.
Oh, heave with a will, boys, oh, heave long and strong.
Way for Rio.
And sing a good chorus, for 'tis a good song.
And we're bound for the Rio Grande. Then away, bullies, away. Away for Rio. Sing fare ye well, me pretty young gals, and we're bound for the Rio Grande.
Was you ever in Quebec, a launching timber on the deck, where you break your bleeding neck?
Riding on a donkey, way, hey, and away we'll go.
Donkey riding,
Way, hey, and away we'll go.
riding on a donkey.
Was you ever in Timbuktu, where those gals are black and blue, and they waggle their backsides too?
Riding on a donkey, way, hey, and away we'll go.
Donkey riding,
Way, hey, and away we'll go.
riding on a donkey. Was you ever in Vallepo, where the gals put on a show, waggle and wriggle with a roll and go?
Riding on a donkey, way, hey, and away we'll go.
Donkey riding,
Way, hey, and away we'll go.
riding on a donkey.
Was you ever in Mobile Bay, screwing cotton all the day? $1 a day is a white man's pay.
Riding on a donkey, way, hey, and away we'll go.
Donkey riding,
Way, hey, and away we'll go.
riding on a donkey. Was you ever in Canton, where those men wear pigtails long, and the gals dance honky kong?
Riding on a donkey, way, hey, and away we'll go.
Donkey riding,
Way, hey, and away we'll go.
riding on a donkey.
Was you ever in Miramichi, where you tie up to a tree, and the skeeters do bite we?
Riding on a donkey, way, hey, and away we'll go.
Donkey riding,
Way, hey, and away we'll go.
riding on a donkey. Was you ever in London town, where the gals they do come down to see the king in his robe and crown?
Riding on a donkey, way, hey, and away we'll go.
Donkey riding,
Way, hey, and away we'll go.
riding on a donkey.
Was you ever on the Broomilow, where the Yanks are all the go, and the gals dance heel and toe?
Riding on a donkey, way, hey, and away we'll go.
Donkey riding,
Way, hey, and away we'll go.
riding on a donkey. Was you ever in Frisco Bay, where the gals all shout,
Hooray!
Here comes Johnny with his 3 years' pay?
Riding on a donkey, way, hey, and away we'll go.
Donkey riding,
Way, hey, and away we'll go.
riding on a donkey.
Was you ever off Cape Horn, where your backside's never warm and you wish to God you never been born?
Riding on a donkey, way, hey, and away we'll go.
Donkey riding,
Way, hey, and away we'll go.
riding on
on a donkey.
Was you ever in Quebec, launching timber on the deck,
Where you break your bleeding neck, riding on a donkey. Way, hey, and away we'll go. Donkey riding, way, hey, and away we'll go. Riding on a donkey.
I dreamed a dream the other night.
Lowlands, lowlands away, my John.
I dreamed a dream the other night.
My lowlands away.
I dreamed I saw my own true love.
Lowlands, lowlands away, my John.
I dreamed I saw my own true love.
My lowlands away.
The salt seaweed all in her hair.
Lowlands, lowlands away, my John.
The salt seaweed all in her hair.
My lowlands away.
And then I knew my love was dead.
Lowlands, lowlands away, my John.
And then I knew my love was dead.
My lowlands away.
I dreamed a dream the other night.
Lowlands, lowlands away, my John.
I dreamed a dream the other night.
My lowlands away.
Well, they call me Hanging Johnny.
Away, boys, away.
They said I hang for money.
So hang, boys, hang.
Yes, they said I hang for money.
Away, boys, away.
For hanging is so funny.
So hang, boys, hang.
Well, first I hanged me mammy.
Away, boys, away.
And then I hanged me daddy.
So hang, boys, hang.
Oh, yes, I hanged me mother.
Away, boys, away.
Me sister and me brother.
So hang, boys, hang.
I hanged me sister Sally.
Away, boys, away.
I hanged me whole damn family.
So hang, boys, hang.
I even hanged me granny.
Away, boys, away.
I strung her up quite canny.
So hang, boys, hang.
And I'd hang the mate and skipper.
Away, boys, away.
I'd hang 'em by the flipper.
So hang, boys, hang.
I'd hang a ruddy copper.
Away, boys, away.
I'd give him the long dropper.
So hang, boys, hang.
And a rope, a block and ladder.
Away, boys, away.
I'd hang yous all together.
So hang, boys, hang.
And we'll hang and hold together.
Away, boys, away.
We'll hang for better weather.
So hang, boys, hang.
Well, they call me Hanging Johnny.
Away, boys, away.
'Cause hanging is so funny.
So hang, boys, hang.
As I walked out on Plymouth Street, a press gang there I chanced to meet. They asked me if I'd join the fleet.
On board of a man of war, me brave boys. On board of a man of war.
Come, brother shipmates, tell to me the kind of treatment they give to thee, so that I may know before I go.
On board of a man of war, me brave boys. On board of a man of war.
When I got there, to my surprise, all that they told me was shocking lies. There was a row, and a bloody great row.
On board of a man of war, me brave boys. On board of a man of war.
The first thing they done, they took me in hand. They lashed me with a tar end of strand. They flogged me till I could not stand.
On board of a man of war, me brave boys. On board of a man of war.
Now I was married and me wife's name was Grace. 'Twas her that drove me to this disgrace, and oft I'd curse her ugly face.
On board of a man of war, me brave boys. On board of a man of war.
When next I get me foot on shore, to see them Plymouth girls once more, I'll never go to sea no more.
On board of a man of war, me brave boys. On board of a man of war.
20 miles from the shore, or maybe even more, there's a shout comes up from below.
Owie!
We got water in the bilge, and the crew will feel the chill as the southwest gale starts to blow.
So pump, you buggers, pump. We got water in the sump. We got fish heads blocking up the drain. If you want to get to shore, you had better pump some more. And then you start your pumping once again.
Well, the water starts to rise, the mate can't believe his eyes, for there's icing in the ring around the moon.
Round the moon.
And the cook's still making supper as the boy clears out the scuppers, and the hawser starts to strain against the boom.
So pump, you buggers, pump. We got water in the sump. We got fish heads blocking up the drain. If you want to get to shore, you had better pump some more. And then you start your pumping once again.
They ease the punt out of its chocks and lift it with the blocks and lower it gently in the falls. But the sea is getting stronger, they can hold the ropes no longer, so their haven floats away between the squalls.
So pump, you buggers, pump. We got water in the sump. We got fish heads blocking up the drain. If you want to get to shore, you had better pump some more. And then you start your pumping once again.
The skipper thinks he spots a light somewhere out there in the night. The salt spray stings his bloodshot eyes. Now there's a flare and then a gleam as the lifeboat draws a beam, and a searchlight brightens up the darkened skies.
So pump, you buggers, pump. We got water in the sump. We got fish heads blocking up the drain. If you want to get to shore, you had better pump some more. And then you start your pumping once again.
Their boat now starts to wallow as it sets down in a hollow, and the waves crash through the deckhouse door. So the young boy grabs the cat, and the cook secures his hat, and the mate cries, "Take us to the shore."
So pump, you buggers, pump. We got water in the sump. We got fish heads blocking up the drain. If you want to get to shore, you had better pump some more. And then you start your pumping once again.
Well, now they're safely back ashore and vow they'll go to sea no more, with no sea boots, no oilskins, and no pay.
And no pay.
But in a week or maybe two, you can bet a pint of brew that the Falmouth men will once more sail away.
So pump, you buggers, pump. We got water in the sump. We got fish heads blocking up the drain. If you want to get to shore, you had better pump some more. And then you start your pumping once again. So pump, you buggers, pump. We got water in the sump. We got fish heads blocking up the drain. If you want to get to shore, you had better pump some more. And then you start your pumping once again.
Bum, 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 bum.
Oi!